Good evening. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng bechamel. Ayan yung mga ingredients. Mozzarella cheese. Sasalang na natin ang onion. Cook lang natin. Cook the onion till brown. Then put garlic. Then put the chicken. Ilagyan ko lang siya ng garlic. I put garlic. Then let it. Guys ng 2 cups na 3 cups na macaroni. My oil, I put oil and salt. I put 1 Maggi cubes, salt.
They come.
Huh?
Come from Dubai?
I don't know if they come. Maybe. That's why I'm fussy. I want to make it fast. And paprika. A little bit paprika. Huh? Mayonnaise, Mappy, you open the... I finished the small. Finish already. Huh? Have big one. Ketchup here. Ay nako. They tell me late.
How do you finish 8 now?
Ay wow. Crazy. Yeah. May pass. What is this? Then a little bit ketchup. And a little bit tomato paste. So yan butter. Melt it. Let it melt. At isang flour. And guys, flour. Luto lang natin yan. Pag ganyan na guys, then nilagyan ko ng cream, cooking cream, then pepper. Wag na yung salt guys kasi maalat na to. So pepper na lang. Okay na yan. Yan guys. Ito yung sauce sa taas. Nilalagay natin yung sauce sa taas. Guys, ayan, nilagay ko na yung macaroni. Tapos ilalagay ko to sa sunod. Cheese, guys. Gugos ako ng kamay, guys. Cheese. Then, ilalagay natin ito sa taas. Ayan na siya, guys. Tapos ilalagay natin ang cheese sa ibabaw. Ay, sayang yan guys. Malinis na may lamesa namin. more cheese, more cheese. Lagyan na natin ito isang paket, guys. Na guys, then lalagay na natin siya sa oven. We will put in oven only up. Bismillah. Ayun, naka-up na siya. 250 for 20 minutes. Until ano lang, brown yung up. Until mag-brown yung up. Guys, pag ano na siya, brown na siya, okay na. It's still not brown yet. Okay na siya, guys. Ayan na, nagkulay brown na yung taas. Yung cheese yan eh. We need to melt the cheese. Ang ating bechamel. Okay na siya, guys. Tapos na, finish. I hope it's yummy. It's yummy yan. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. God bless everyone.